there it is. We're going to make one today. Sliding waterfall with 4 panels. Hi everybody, it's Julie. Welcome to the Messy Desk. Today we are using scrapbook paper as our scavenger hunt item. So one of our 17 items. And we are making a sliding waterfall with 4 panels. And so we did this last month. I'm just checking to make sure. This is 11 inches. That's what I wanted to do. I have a file folder and it is 11 inches. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make it 4 inches this time. And then I can go ahead and grab my scrapbook paper and I'm going to cut this to 4 inches. Okay, so cutting this to 4 inches. And that will give me 8 inches to use in my journal. Okay, so I have a 4-inch. I have that one is 4 inches. And let's go ahead and we'll cut this one at 4 inches also. Okay, so I have some orange paper. So these are some scrapbook papers. They are actually cardstock that I pulled out. Okay, and so we'll be using this again because I am going to want to, let's see. If we go 4 by 5, I think we'll be good. Okay, 4 by 5. And, okay, so I need to open this up. I'm going to cut each of these at 5 inches. Okay, so this is kind of a fun one because you can use your cutoffs. Okay, and I'm going to be able to use all these pieces that are left. Do I have 5 inches on this one? I do not, so I'm going to have to go this way. Okay, the pieces that I'm cutting off, I'm going to be able to use for tags and cards and things in the journal that I might need after I have filled it. Now, for my other piece, I am going to cut a Dear Julie Julie digital. So we'll just cut. This is one of the large tag pieces. And I'm going to cut this. I'm cutting the white part off. I could have gone around it with the gold. So how was your weekend? Happy Saturday, everybody. I'm filming actually on, what is today? Today is Wednesday. So I'm filming on Wednesday. Tom and I have a volunteer responder dinner, first responder volunteer dinner to go to that our local park is putting on. Okay, so I have these 3, okay, that I'm going to be adding. And then I'm going to be adding this and probably, you know what, let's clean up the Dixie Moon because I'm probably going to add that to one of my pages also. So I need to have a Dear Julie Julie digital. And I need to have today's is the scrapbook paper. So I've got both of those. And we're making a sliding waterfall for September. 17-day junk journal scavenger hunt junk journal challenge. Okay, so I need one more piece for a page. You know what? you know what I got? I have these. So, they're on cardstock. So these were the extra freebie Fridays that the Patreons received last week. Okay. And so let's see. I think we can cut this one down to be okay. Okay, we need it to be 5 inches. I hope it's going to be 5 inches. Yes. Okay, so 5 inches right there. And cut it. And this way we'll cut it 4 inches. Okay. So one of the moon postcards will be my fourth panel. Okay, so I have my 4 panels. 4 panels, and then I have some things that I can use to decorate some of the other parts. We're going to go ahead and put that back over here. And so figuring this out, I am going to go ahead and I'm gonna fold this. I guess we'll have that piece underneath. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna fold it right where my fingernail is. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to come down 1 piece, right? No. We're going to go ahead and go up. So I'm using my fingernail as my guide. Okay. And so pinch and fold. Pinch and fold. You know, after I do this 4 or 5 times in a row, I might remember. Okay. And pinch and fold. You know what? I'm just going to put my other. Okay, so there's. Okay, now we'll come back. Line it up straight all the way to the end before you fold it down. Okay. And then we gotta do it one more time. And I need 4 little flaps. Okay, so I've got 4. And then I'm going to come back the other direction. And bone folder is going to help you have a much cleaner. And so these don't have to be perfect. You know, do the best you can. And of course, if you have a scoreboard, then that's probably going to work better. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our top piece. I think I want this one to be the top one, just because it's different. I think that that will be fun. And I will go ahead and put glue on the mechanism piece. Okay, so this is the piece that's gonna move. Okay. Now, I did not decorate the back. Okay. So, what do I want to put on the back? How about, I know, we'll come over here. How about tissue? Oh. Faster. Or Dixie Moon. Okay, so when this goes in, it's gonna go this way, and then it's gonna flip up like that. And if I put Dixie Moon in here and have it go to like here, okay. I can go with gold pen around the outside. Okay, and I can do that. I can do that after. Okay, so if you saw the Raggedy Ann and Andy one, I did decorate everything before I put it together. I decorated both sides of all of my pieces. Okay, so there's that. And we can grab a book page. And trying to make sure I'm on the card, so I'm not wasting too much of the gold. We'll go up onto the music a little bit. We'll come over here, we'll go on the music, and then down. So we've been having airplanes flying over because of the fire. Hopefully when you watch this, the fire is out. It's the bridge fire. Okay. Okay, so there's our first page. It's going to go in like this, and it'll flip up and have the Dixie Moon page or music. Whoops. So we can go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. So it goes this direction, right? Okay, so it's on there. Then we flip it up like this and lay it down, waiting for the next one. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I think we'll go, this one's kind of cool. It's got the gold. Should we go, let's see. I think we'll go orange next, okay? So we'll have the orange. And I think we'll go ahead and put this on the front. So the cool little moon. So this is my moon music journal. Okay. Now this is double-sided. This orange piece is double-sided, so that's cool. I just have to figure out what I want to put on the other side. Okay, so this one, we'll go ahead and come in and go across. We're going to lay that one like that. Lay it right across. Okay. And then again, pull it up, flip it up. Pull it up and flip it up. I think we'll go with the sprayed one next. I'm thinking like a little pocket. That can hold something in it, but we'll go ahead and just put this down. So we'll get the base made out of our scrapbook paper and our file folder. I like using the file folder because I've got lots of them. First of all, it's double-sided usually, and it is a long piece. So if I wanted it to be longer, I could do that. Okay, so there's that. And then this one is going to be this. Okay, I'm going to want something on the other side of this one. Okay. Oh, you know what? I have this that we can use to about tissue. Okay. I'm trying to use up the glue sticks that I have on my table so that I can just have the glue sticks that I like the most. Okay, so there's that. And we used tissue in the journal the other day, helping to cover up a piece that I didn't like the way the spraying went through onto the other side of the paper. So I used the tissue to help calm that down. Oh, I could have used a hunky-dory in here. Oh well. I have the hunky-dory cutout pieces I could use. That can become a ruffle. And these two pieces can too. I'll just put them in my ruffle box. There we go. Okay. So we could do either way on this one. We could put it this way. Let's see. Oh, I kind of like that. But it's upside down. Okay. Okay, this side is going to be better. Oh, but then I lose that. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and put our glue down. So this will give us all 4 of our panels. And now I need to make sure, and this is my base. And now I need to make sure that okay, there we go. Okay, so this is what you're going to see from when you get to the page. I like that. I like that. Okay, so this one goes up, this one goes up, this one goes up, this one goes up, and this one will be underneath the thing at the bottom. Okay, so some embellishing. I think we'll go, you know what, let's go ahead, let's put this down here. I have an idea. Okay, so the band. So I want to build my band. I think I'm going to use this. Okay, so this goes underneath here. And it can be up to 5.5 inches wide. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll cut that. Okay, so this is my band, but there's something else I want to do here. So I'm going to grab a brad. I'm going to grab a brad and music. Okay, that's too big. We need to be smaller. So let's see, what else do we have? We have her. Okay, she won't work. If I cut that circle off. Yeah, okay. So we'll cut this just under the circle. If the brad is there, I can get it out of the way, okay? So this needs the hole. I have to I was like, oh, I can do this. And then now I have to figure out how to do it. Okay, so we're going to put the hole right here, okay? And the brad will go through that, okay? And then the brad will go through the end of this paper. Okay, so I have my Dear Julie digital. I have a brad. I'm going to just put this brad right through. Oh, I should have went up and down. Okay. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and open it. Okay, let me get this on here. And I could go all the way through the big paper, but I don't think that is a good idea. You guys, I'm having trouble getting in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, so brad up, bread down. Okay, there we go. That'll move. Oh, you know what we should have done? I can still do it. Okay. Go around with the gold pen. Okay, so gold pen and the bread. This is going to go like this. Okay. And that'll be the little keep the waterfall closed. Okay, so we'll come way down here. Okay, so now go with that. Oh, it needs to be up high for it to flip. Okay, wait a minute. This might not work. Might have to do this on. Okay. Oh, I've got the wrong one. Okay. Okay, let's see. I dug through my stuff and I found this page, okay? And so we're going to go ahead and put this on this page here. I'm going to use this that I had in my stash. It has the numbers on it, which I really, really like. And this is going to be our band. You know what? Let's go up 3. So remember, we did this last month. We made one of these. And so, so this back piece, oh, it actually needs a longer piece on it. What if, I mean, it needs a much longer piece. Okay, so let's add, we're going to add a piece here. Let's see, what do we got? What if we add an orange? Or, you know what? We've got this. Let's add this. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to add that piece. Okay. I need to make it longer. Put glue down. Oh, where did the pen? Got it. So I got my plane tickets for October. Yay. Paid several loaves of bread yesterday. That was fun. And they turned out. Okay, let me get the glue off here. Okay, so that's going to give me a pole place. Yay. Okay, so we're going to put this down. Okay, I'll put glue on either side. We're going to hold it down so that it stays down. So this is the sliding waterfall, okay? And we are to make a sliding waterfall this month. So you go ahead and, oh, probably should, no, it's dry, okay? So the next part we need to do if at first you can't remember, pull out the one that you did before. So I need to put one of these in my okay, no, it's after that. Here it is. Okay, so the band is across here. The things go all the way up to the top, okay? So things go all the way up to the top. Then the bottom one is, okay, so things are all the way up to the top. I'm sorry. And then this one is glued down onto this. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll glue this one onto here. This is the bottom panel of the file folder, okay? So that is glued onto there. And then this should, yeah, there we go. Okay, and now this, I'm going to put over the, oh, okay, let's see how it works. I want to be able to, yeah, it'll do it, okay? So we're going to put that on. We'll glue it here. I'll glue it over here. Okay, we have our Brad, our Dear Julie Julie Digital, our gold pen. Oh, and we used the scrapbook paper as our bottom pieces. Okay, I'm gonna want to make this stronger. Because I had previously had this ready to be the piece that we this is how you are able to use scraps, right? So we use scraps, and I'm going to want another piece of something down here. again, this is just because I had used this for something else. I'm just making it stronger so that it doesn't fold up when I go to do this. Okay. There we go. So real-time crafting here, you guys. Real-time crafting. Bloopers left in. So I hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. And now we have a brad closure on our sliding waterfall. So you just go ahead, flip that around, and you're able to pull this. Okay, you could sneak something else in here and have that as a little surprise. Go ahead, put it back. Put this back as your closure, and there you go. I love it. So our sliding waterfall, again, here's the one that we did last month. And I'm glad we had it because I forgot how the mechanism worked. And so we used scrap paper, and we used this game piece. So this was a game board with the numbers on it. And we have scrapbook papers and Dear Julie digitals. There we go. Sliding waterfall with a brad closure. This is for the September 17-day Scavenger Hunt Junk Journal Challenge. My scavenger hunt item was the scrapbook paper, and my Dear Julie digitals were from the Patreon extras and also from the Moon Music digital, as well as French Fashionista. So I hope you check those out in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. And then don't forget the freebies are available at patreon.com/DearJulieJulie in the public section. Have an amazing day, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow will not be a premiere, but there is a video. I finished the pet rescue journal, and so the flip through for that will be tomorrow. Have an amazing day, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.